If you've been eating and not gaining weight, watch this video. The key isn't just about eating more, but it's eating the right high-calorie and nutrient-dense foods. Today, I'll be showing you how to make this easy, delicious, and healthy pancake recipe. If you're new here, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. For this recipe, you'll be needing 2 small to medium sized bananas because they're high in calories. Also be needing 1 tablespoon of peanut butter to add healthy fats to the recipe. You'll also be needing 2 dates that was soaked in water for 10 to 15 minutes. Remove the seeds of the dates before adding to the blender. You'll also be needing 1 cup of full cream milk, so you can use your powdered milk and then mix it up with water. Then 1 teaspoon of flaxseed for healthy protein and fat, and then you'll be needing 1 egg. You blend this together to create a smooth paste. Pour the paste into a mixing bowl. Now we gradually add our dry ingredients to the paste. We'll be using oat flour. We just need 1 cup of oat flour, but this depends on the quantity of pancake that you want to make. And then we'll be needing ½ teaspoon of baking powder, a pinch of nutmeg, and a pinch of salt. Mix together to create a smooth batter. Be careful not to over-whisk the batter so you don't have a very dense and tough pancake. I'll be adding a little milk because the batter is still thick. Now you don't want the batter to be too thick or too rich, you just want it to have that very fine consistency. Heat a pan on medium heat and add some oil to it. This not only prevents sticking but also adds healthy fats. Scoop some batter and let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes per side until golden brown. Gaining weight isn't just about eating more, it's about eating smarter. If you're struggling to gain weight, it could be because of these 3 reasons. 1. You're not eating calorie-dense foods. Now, a plate of rice won't do much. You need meals that are packed with a lot of calories in small portions, just like these pancakes we just made. So you're not eating enough. So if you're eating only 2 to 3 times a day, your body might not be getting enough fuel. Aim for 5 to 6 small high-calorie meals per day. And also, if you're not lifting weights or doing resistance training, all those extra calories might just turn into fat instead of muscles. So focus on eating and moving your body. If you found this helpful, be sure to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and drop a comment if you want more high-calorie meal ideas. See you in the next one. Bye.